Did you imagine that these images were made by artificial intelligence? And the other surprise is that it was generated using the Canva program. Here's the biggest surprise in this video. I'm going to show you how to make pictures like this. Let us begin. Go to Canva and log in. You can log in using your email account. Now go to Design and choose one. I will select YouTube thumbnail. From left panel, go to Apps. Scroll down until you find Text to Image. Or you can find it using Search for Apps box. Open the application. Click Open. Here you can use the prompt box. And from down, you can choose one from the pre-made styles. From here, you can change the aspect ratio. And from here, Canva suggests prompts for you, and you can change them. Let us try this one, and I will select Photo Style. Click Create Your Photo button. Here is the result. Canva automatically generates 4 pictures. You can regenerate again, or just click on your desired photo. Click Start Over to make new photo. Now I will type Elon Musk, GTI style, GTI loading screen, and filmic style. Here is the result. If you want more photos, and you don't know how to generate the best prompt, simply go to Lexica website. This website shows you thousands of AI photos and the prompt used to generate them. So you can click on the photo you want and copy the prompt. Paste the prompt in Canva and change the style as you wish. And here is, you have new photos using Canva AI. Let us try another example. Again, copy prompt from Lexica and paste it in Canva. Choose filmic style and generate your photo. That's all for today. I hope you benefited and enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. See you in another video. See you soon.